have another question in regards to Yom Tov, but I don't know if someone else has a question too.
Well, it doesn't look like it, but okay, go ahead. Right line. Go ahead.
Is one allowed to use a fire or benefit for a fire from a fire that originated accidentally through Yom Tov? For example, I don't know, someone left like a magnifying glass on the backyard, and something caught fire because of the sun going through it or whatever. And are we allowed to use that fire that originated accidentally during Yom Tov?
It's a good question. So if it's so you did not create this fire, even though you're allowed to make your fire from pre-existing fire. So this magnifying glass, it's a very good question. What I'm going to say, it's just my guess. I never learned this, never heard. Maybe I did, but I do not remember. I would say there is no problem, but that's only my logical guess. So it's again, and not halacha. That's how I guess. Yeah. What else?
Thank you very much, Halachos.
You're welcome.